welcome to my channel Learn, Create and Fun with Jovia. And in today's video we're going to be unboxing the Syvo WT3130 aluminum tripod. Let's start unboxing. Okay, so now we're going to open it. So here we have the carrying case of the tripod, and inside the carrying case you'll get the tripod. Here it is. This is the tripod. And with that you'll get a mobile holder and a warranty card. Now we're going to adjust its height. So the minimum height of this tripod is 16 inches, which can go up to 50 inches. It has 3 extendable sections and leg locks, which makes it easier to unlock them. Okay, so now we're going to see how to adjust the height. So we're going to open the first lock and we're going to lock it again. So this is the first height. Now we're going to open the second lock. And now we're going to lock it again. Okay, so this is the second height. Now we're going to open the third lock. Okay. So this is the maximum height of the tripod. So now we're going to be adjusting the height of the head. So what you have to do is twist this knob until it gets loosened. And then pull this up and then twist it again until it gets tight. So this is how you adjust the height. So next is, how do you twist this back and forth? You have to twist this knob and you can see it goes back and forth right now. So this is how you twist it back and forth. So you have to set the mobile holder. You have to keep this down. You can see the screw over here. Put this and twist it a little bit. After that, you can see under here. I'm going to twist it until it gets tight. There we go. And you can also have split level over here to check if your mobile is positioned correctly. So next we're going to see how to turn the tripod 360 degrees. So what you have to do is easily twist the handle and just do it like this. And you also have to tighten it. Tighten this one so that it's a really nice and cool tripod because it only takes less than 1 minute to dismantle it. So let's start dismantling it. Okay, so first we're going to dismantle the mobile holder. Next, twist this and we're going to keep it like this. And next, twist this knob until it gets loosened. Now bring it down. After that, twist it to become tight. And next, what we're going to do is, we're going to unlock these leg locks to make it smaller. Next one. This product also comes with a warranty card. It has 1 year warranty. I'll also give the link of this product in the description down below. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries about this product, please ask through the comment box. I'll be happy to answer them all. Bye bye.